They're so much fun.
It was a blast from the beginning, no stress, and it put the good feelings that we know we're going to be having on the deck into action from the very beginning.
Out here, there was only cement, and it was not aesthetically pleasing at all. And we met Mike, and he gave us some fantastic ideas. And now we couldn't be happier.
The guys were thorough, professional, they were on time. They did a perfect job of balancing keeping the site as clean as possible and as organized as possible and keeping production going every day, no matter what. We would call Ware Landscaping as our first call every time from now on. And working with Ware Landscaping has been absolutely fantastic. Everything from design to production to post-production has been absolutely flawless, and we 100% recommend them.